Hey there, welcome back and welcome to another episode of Land of Power Printing and more. If you checked my last video, I did an unboxing of the Dye-Sublimation printer kit for my 8432 White toner printer, right? So I did promise you guys I was going to do some follow-up videos about the installation, about the usage and all of that. But, you know, this is also Christmas holidays, so I got kind of tied up. So we're going to get into the installation right now. All right, so stay tuned and I'll be right with you. All right, so let's get ready to go in. So here we are. I got my toners already set up with the drums. Let me turn this around for you guys. How do I do that? And there we go. All right, so I got the cyan, yellow, magenta, black. Okay, they ready to go. And then we're gonna have to, how do we open this up? And wow. And now these are the regular toners. So these are about to be replaced along with the drum with these. So let's get started. Comes out. I think I'll put these down here for now. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now, here we go. Okay, so it also comes with a software rip. I already downloaded that into my computer. So now the next move would be is to connect the computer to the printer so the profiles can be intertwined or exchanged, or I don't know the computer terms, but upload it, download it, and all that. So give me a second, let me do that.